Why my room look so dirty? Ew. Let's try to fix this. Ooh, that's a little better. Okay, well, just ignore my dirty room. So, for today's video, that light is distracting. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Life of Lanie. For today's video, I thought it would be hilarious to do a dance class because I'm not a dancer. I feel like in my past life, I was a dancer and I don't even get to fulfill that fantasy. So today I'm fulfilling that fantasy because one of my good friends, Victoria Walls, is a dancer and choreographer. I was with her the other day and I was like, you know, I think it'd be really funny if I did a video of me trying to do like some hip hop dance or something because I'm like not a dancer. I have rhythm, you know, like I can dance, but I'm not a dancer, you know, you feel me? I've never taken like a real hip hop class before, so I think it'd be really funny if I like film myself doing it for the first time. And she was like, hip hop, we're about to have you doing a heels class. So she took it a step further. Okay, not only is it dancing, but it's dancing in heels, and I can barely walk in heels, let alone dance. So for today's video, we are going to be going to Evolution Studios in Los Angeles, and I'm going to be taking a heels class with Victoria for the first time in my entire life. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video, at least find it humorous, and we will see how it goes. So, let's go. Y'all, I gotta go down this alley, so if I die, at least it'll be on camera. Victoria's already in there. Oh, this is not my lighting. Victoria's already in there, so I just got here and I'm so excited. Oh my God, this is a creepy ass alley. Maybe I should have parked back here. We're here. This is the Victoria Walls, my choreographer for the day, guys. I'm so nervous. Don't be nervous, it's great. So what I want you to do is just like walk, like start from the back and just give me your naturally, like how you would walk. Okay, ready? Okay. When you're in a heel, it's all about like the hips, the chest. So you want to start in a bevel like this. You're going to bring your ankles together and your ankles should kiss. And you're going to sit in your hip like that. So that hip should be out, okay? So stick it out, out, out. And then you're going to step forward. And then drag this foot through. Oh, here, And then step forward. Drag it through. You got it? Step forward. Drag it through. And a fast pace is this, which creates like a whole like boom. Yes. And with the hips, lead with the hips. Yes. Now the key to flipping your hair is the neck. Okay. A lot of people just kind of think, you know, it's like that, but it's really the neck. Okay. So what I want you to do is bend down, go around, and up. Yes. One more time. Down, around, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, around. No, that's fine. Whatever you feel. There's no right or wrong when you're feeling sexy. Like, do you? What I want you to watch me do it one more time, is like not just going down and like, you know? Yeah. So when you do the start, like think about the whole time. Yes. And yes. It's like nothing is ever missed. It's kind of like, come get me. One more time. And down. Yes. Yes. Me. I can do that shit in the bar. So we're gonna be doing a little combo. 6-inch heels. Yes. We're gonna start with a freestyle. I want you to
Just like live, and that's like whatever you want. You can start down, you can come up, you can around, like it's whatever you want to do, okay? So that's for 8 counts.
Oh, 8 counts.
Yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Then after that, we're going to do our walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go this way, down, lift, up. So after we go up, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're going here, straighten that leg, and then back down, straighten that leg, down, and down. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we're gonna try something. I believe in you. If you guys did all the stuff really great the first time. Okay. Now it's gonna be a half turn. Okay. To a drop. Okay. Going to be cut. No. Okay. So I can go boom and a 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna pick up this leg. Okay. 5, 6. Okay. 7. Okay. 8. Yeah. Woo! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'm here. So I got a spot, right? Pick up this leg. It's only a half turn. So don't think about like, you know. Okay. So all you're gonna do is 1, look, down, up. Yes. Let's hear your music.
Oh, you about to kill me.
That butt, boom, very different than, yeah. Let me just make sure I get up. So then you're gonna go down, and then you're gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Now, that's open for interpretation. So if you like it up like this, or if you want it down here, down, up, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is another like technical thing. Okay. You're going to step here, and then you're going to go around, up. So when you do that, you want to be here. You're going to stick out that toe, and then you're going to complete a full circle, and then arch your back. Great. So, and then arch, yes. Ooh. Yes. This one is going to look like this. Like this is what the picture should be. Yes, literally. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's try that with the music. going to go to the floor a little bit. Do you need knee pads? Probably. You have knee pads. So, you have knee pads, so don't be afraid. Okay. The knee pads are literally going to help you do all the work. Yes. Down, down, up, up, around. You're going to sit down. Now, this knee is going to stay up. This knee is going to go down. And it's going to drop like this. Right? Then that's going to make you turn. Okay? So just watch. Boom. Okay? Much easier than it looks. Boom. Yes. Okay. So yourself enough momentum to go all the way here. Yes. Perfect. Good. Yes. So you're going to turn. Boom. Now you're going to bring this knee down. Boom. Now this is called a dive. Okay. And basically the dive is like literally the hottest thing you can do. You're going to dive. And you're going to pick this leg up to the knee. Okay. Once you get here, you're going to stay down. And then this leg is going to come up. Okay. Here and boom. So, with that, are you wrong? No, not wrong, but complete the step. So, all the way down. Yes. So when I get, and then you push out. Boom. Yes. You can't cut it off. When you cut it off, you lose the sexy. It should be all in the face like me. After you pop, you're going to come back and it's open. Yes. Now, turn and on both knees. And on and eat. And out. Yes. Let's hear that. Make sure it makes sense. Okay.
we're back home. That was actually a ton of fun. I really loved that. My knees hurt right now. My knees are not what they used to be like back in the jerking era. I think that's when it went south. Thank you to Victoria so much for taking the time out of your day to teach me how to do a heels class, because she did not have to do that and she did, and it was so much fun. I felt sexy, I felt confident. Obviously didn't do all the moves right. I'm not a dancer. Don't come for me, y'all. I'm not a dancer. Let me know how you guys think I did, and also let me know what activity I should try out next. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at lifeoflanie as well to see more. See you guys in the next video.